everyone, Tim Schofield here, and today we're going to check out what could potentially be the most advanced robot vacuum we've checked out so far, the Dreame X60 Ultra. Now, I've tested a lot of robot vacuums, and this has something I haven't seen before. First of all, it's their thinnest robot. It's only 3.12 inches thick. The DTOF sensor on top will actually retract so it can reach those hard-to-get places like under furniture. Big thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and sending the X60 Ultra for us to check out. Not only can it lower its head, but it also has legs that can retract and vault over thresholds and even furniture. We are gonna test all of this out. It has crazy amount of suction. It can detect objects and avoid them and a lot more. So let's put it to the test. Let's get started. First, let's talk about their design. And Dreame went with a very clean, geometric look for that base station. I just love the texture on the front. It looks very premium. And the robot itself has a minimal style with a ton of tech built into it. Traditional robots have that LiDAR tower on top, which makes them very tall. And the X60 Ultra has the VersaLift navigation, and in open spaces, the sensor lifts to scan 360 degrees, but the second it detects low furniture or anything that it's going to need to go under, it will retract itself into the robot vacuum. And no need to worry when the sensor's down, it switches to its AI-enhanced OmniSight system, which uses dual 120-degree cameras to navigate using visual data. You can see that on the front of the robot vacuum. And that sensor's rated for 30,000 cycles, so it should last you a long time. One of the biggest upgrades is their AI system, and it's called OmniSight. It uses those dual cameras with some pretty advanced object recognition. It can identify over 280 objects. It's all on device, don't worry. It can recognize those objects on the fly and make sure to avoid them as needed. Even in the app, it will show up cables and other objects popping up as it cleans. It also reacts super fast, so it's constantly adjusting its path in real time. It passed the obstacle course test with ease, many obstacle course tests, and now I don't have to worry about cleaning up before I run the robot vacuum. I have to say, the X60 Ultra has the best object recognition I've seen in a robot vacuum. It's so impressive. It gets really close to the objects, but doesn't touch them. It makes sure to avoid cable. It definitely doesn't get tangled on cables. You don't have to worry about that. Just makes it so stress-free. I don't have to clean up the rooms and move the toys and the cables. It will just clean around them if they're there. Now you'll notice this blue infrared light. This is proactive light dirt detection. That infrared light will help you see the messes that you might miss, and it's light color liquids or pet hair in the dark corners. And when it sees a mess, it actually adjusts its cleaning strategy in real time. If it's a dry mess, it vacuums. If it's wet, it mops. It's just a super smart robot vacuum. Let's talk about cleaning and power. This thing is packed with 35,000 PAs of VorMax suction, and 35,000 PAs is easily the highest I've seen in any robot vacuum. To put that in perspective, most flagship robot vacuums have 10 to 20,000 PAs of suction, so this is just about double of other flagships that are out there. It's crazy. This means that those dry messes are just no challenge whatsoever. Every single thing, including rice, hair, just crumbs, dirt, everything just gets sucked up. It's no problem. It also uses the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0 down at the bottom, which is awesome. It's a mix of a bristle brush for hard floors and a TPU brush for the carpets. It has a retractable pressure chamber, and on carpets, it lowers the plate, so it creates a seal and focuses all of that suction, 35,000 PAs of suction power, deep into those fibers. And if you have pets that shed or kids spilling food, this is a literal game changer. Of course, you're not just gonna be vacuuming the whole time, you also wanna be able to mop those floors, and Dreame has their dual flex arm technology built in. First of all, the side brush can extend to reach into those tight 90-degree corners, and the Mop Extend Robo Swing will allow both mop pads to swing out and get right against those baseboards. No more blind spots along the edges of your rooms. Super convenient for all the dust, dirt, and hair that collects along the baseboards, and also the dirt that collects in the kitchen along the cabinets. And since it's so thin, it fits right underneath those cabinets. These pads are spinning at 230 RPM with 15 newtons of downward pressure. They're thermal mop pads, so they use phase change material to hold onto heat from the hot water wash, which keeps them over 40 degrees Celsius while they scrub your floors, which will help melt away grease, get any of those spills that are around your house. Now I have to show you this. It's called the Pro Leap system. If you have any threshold between rooms or maybe some U-leg furniture, most robots will definitely get stuck or just not be able to go in there. The X60 has retractable legs that allow it to sort of pole vault over obstacles up to 8.8 centimeters. It's super impressive to watch, and just another way Dreame makes your clean hands free. I've had to clean certain rooms because of a threshold, and now I don't have to. And that power dock, yes, it looks really great, but it handles everything else. It will wash the mop pads with 100 degrees Celsius water. Yes, boiling water, which removes that bacteria and oils that just collect on the pads. It has a dual solution compartment for the floor cleaner and a specific pet odor neutralizer as well. It even has a 100-day dust bag, so you don't have to touch it for literally 3 months. Really nice to have just the hands-off cleaning and maintenance. The app is super smart. There's a ton of smart features like voice control, app customization, and even pet monitoring they call Pet Care 4.0. So if you have a pet at home, it will detect where the pets hang out most of the time and make sure to clean that area more often. It supports Matter for smart home integration, and that app in general is just so useful. You can clean very specific zones. You can choose mopping, vacuuming, and a lot more in different suction powers, and just a full customizable clean. You can schedule things, and there's just a lot of different settings that will make this robot vacuum just work for you. So overall, the Dreame X60 Ultra is really just packed with a ton of tech inside, the robot vacuum, and even that base station. It's not just about the raw power, it's the combination of the smart navigation, strong cleaning, and automation that really stands out. I've been really impressed with the X60 Ultra and love how it will clean under furniture and also just not get stuck on that furniture as well. I will be sure to link to everything down in the description below. The Dreame X60 Ultra. Be sure to check it out. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I will have a lot more content coming, so be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.